Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have learned how to install our ReactJS app with that link. So you have to just run this app npx create react app with that link. I already shared this link in previous video. If you have not checked, you must check how to install our React app in your PC. So with that command we can run and start our application. So with that you will get this thing cd my app yarn start or anything, correct? After that creating an app. Okay, this is a command given by the npx, npm and yarn. There is a three module or three package manager by which we can install our React app. The first is npx, second is npm, third is yarn. Okay, after that we have not selected any template. This is the default template we are using. Yes, we are using. Okay, in that React we can also use the TypeScript. For that one I will release a different video. How first of all we have to understand what is the TypeScript and why it's required to use. Okay, after that this is the output. Yeah, for this project structure, for this motto of the motto of this video, in this video we will learn about what is the structure and how React application will work with that structure. Okay, let's start on this. So first of all you have to that we set our app name my first application. Okay, in that there is three things: node modules, public folder and source, .git ignore, package.log.json file, package.json. So we will go with package.json file. So you can check here, name will be my first app, version will be 0.1.0. it is default given by the React. After that this is the private true. I will let you know about that, why it is a true, and these are the dependencies which we will use in our. So in this React version 18.3.1 we are using React DOM same, and React Script 5.0.1, Web Vitals that is a 2.1.4, and there is a different scripts. Through that we can run our application like npm run start. So these are the command by this we can run our React app. Through this we can build our application. Through this test command we can test our test cases, and these are different parameters which we are using. This is the default. You don't have to touch this thing. This will work at your end, correct? In this also you don't have to understand too much, but this is also here the path of the folder and package where it's working in the node modules, correct? So now come to on the public folder. First of all, this is the fav icon. You can check this, right? We already use this in fav icon. Currently it's not updating at my end. I don't know why, but for sure whenever I will open this application on incognito mode, yeah, this is your fav icon. React 3000 on port, correct? So next line index.html. So this is the build and ID. As I told you, whenever we will install this thing on production mode, we will push build folder, not as it is code. So these are the things I will let you know about that. And this is your logo different, manifest.json file. These are the different parameters. In this have some source folder. The main thing is a source. You have to work in that folder, not any other. In that source folder you can check app.css file. Okay, app.js file. This is our main component. Through this it's working. If you can check here, it is edit, correct? Edit source app dot and save to reload. So whenever I will cut this, and you can check I have not reload this page, but it will render automatically and it has saved. I have not refreshed the page. Again we can check, we see it's automatically come here. Now go to app.test. This can we will writing a test cases by the app name, and we have render app component here. In app component, we will check get text learn react is available, or it can to be in the document. It means learn react will be exist in that document. If it will not, it will throw the error. This is index.css, also index. So come to index. Whenever our react tab will work, first of all it comes on the index.js. Through here there is a import react from react dom from react dom client, and index.js app file we have imported, and this report web vitals you can check. And we are creating a get element by id root folder. In that root folder our whole react will work. Okay, in that root folder our complete react is working, because in the react dom it's creating a route, and then with that id it's working. After that it will render our whole component in the react strict mode. Okay, and this is our folder structure we are using, correct? If you go in the index.js in app component, you can check, and we in future we will work in that folders. In that, this is our parent component. React.strict mode is a parent component. In that parent component our app is a child. If we will use any other component in this app, that after that app will make a parent component and child component will be the different. So this is our project structure of our app. Now come to git ignore file. So git ignore, if you are using git version control where we are controlling our versions of the code, so that's the for that reason we are using git ignore. Ignore means we have to ignore some files from our local folder to production folder. So if we will push that code on server, it will take too much time, heavy. Okay, so first of all it's a node modules. We already see it's in the git ignore, and the color will be the black, light black, and there is a lot of things other which we don't want to on the production server, correct? So these are our project structure in React app. So for the component, how the component will work, parent to child component, how we will pass the data, we will learn one by one. Please listen daily carefully in that series. Okay, thank you for the watching. We'll meet you in the next lecture.